Was your Wizz Air flight delayed, cancelled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, you may be entitled to compensation. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to claim compensation for any flight disruptions with Wizz Air using Compensair. This trusted service handles all the hard work, making the process effortless for you. Let's get started. First, head to Compensair. You can search for it online, but to avoid phishing websites, it's safer to use the secure link in the video description. Once you're on the site, start by entering your Wizz Air flight details, such as your departure and arrival cities, flight number, and the date of travel. You'll find this information in your booking confirmation or on your boarding pass. Next, provide your personal information, including your full name and email address. Don't worry, Compensair ensures that all your details are securely protected. After filling out everything, review the information to make sure it's accurate and click Submit to process your claim. Compensair will then handle everything, contacting Wizz Air and working to get you the compensation you're owed. All you need to do is wait for updates. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive an email notification and the money will be transferred directly to your chosen payment method. That's it. With Compensair, claiming compensation for a delayed, cancelled, or missed Wizz Air flight is quick and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.